these guys, they know what they can do. They know they deserve to be here. They know after 4 times playing in the semifinals, they know what it takes. After playing PNP 3 times in the series, we know what it takes. Pero iba pa rin, iba yung ano nila, iba yung, they're very competitive, they're very disciplined, and then, yun yan, double barrel shotgun, Oboy and Ostana. There's sheer talent, they take over the game. So, ang bigat pa rin, yung sabi, pag wala sila sa RXJ, malala silang talent. Hindi rin. Ang hirap ng talent. So, at least nakatuwan kami. Saka ano rin namin, our best chance is to make this series long. If it becomes a short series, so at least nanalo kami ngayon, Rino is going for 5 games. Pag nanalo pa kami, Rino is going for 6 games. So we know our best chance is in taking this series with a stretch.
We talk about the contribution ni Santi,
Sorry, contribution ni Santi?
Santi,
Okay. Nag-usap kami nilang Keith kahapon, coaching staff, we told him, we know he can play better, we know he can make a better contribution, and he showed it today. He played longer minutes, got his share of rebounds, played with a lot of hustle. So, ang tingin ko, baka kailangan lang niya ng konting motivation. So, si Santi naman, the usual thing. Santi is also being used as a 3 and a 4 whenever the situation requires, whatever the situation requires. So, parang ano na siya, parang siya na yung take over sa role ng game. Yung game is really our Swiss Army knife. So, magiging gano'n na rin si Santi. And he's proving that he can take all the responsibility.